The Respiratory System Part 2. Hello students. In this video you are going to learn about pharynx, larynx, trachea and bronchi. Pharynx. Pharynx is a Greek word which means throat. Pharynx is a cone-shaped passageway common to respiratory and digestive system. It is situated behind the nose and mouth. It is about 12 cm long. It is made of muscles and lined with mucous membrane. It has three parts. The nasopharynx, which is the anterior part and connected to the nose. The oropharynx, it is the middle part which is connected to the mouth. The laryngopharynx, the posterior part which continues to the larynx. Pharynx has 7 openings. The two posterior nares from nose, the two openings of eustachian tubes which carry air to the middle ear. Hence, the pharynx is also connected to ears. Next opening is the mouth, esophagus and the larynx. Functions of pharynx. Pharynx is passageway to food and air. It helps in voice production. It also helps in swallowing. In this picture, you can see clearly the three different parts of pharynx. The nasopharynx, which is shown in orange color. It is the part of the pharynx connected to the nose. Then is oropharynx, shown in blue color, which is connected to mouth. Below this, we are having laryngopharynx, which is shown in purple color. It continues with larynx. Larynx. Larynx is also known as voice box because it is mainly involved in production of voice. Larynx is a box-shaped organ situated in the upper front of neck. It is connected above with the pharynx and below with the trachea. It is made of several cartilages. The largest cartilage of the larynx is known as thyroid cartilage, which gives triangular shape to the larynx. Epiglottis is a leaf-shaped cartilage which acts as a lid to the box. During swallowing, it prevents food or fluid from entering the larynx. It consists of the vocal cords which produce sounds. The space between the vocal cords is called the glottis. The function of larynx is voice production and pitch and volume are manipulated here. In this picture, you can observe the shape and the different parts of larynx. Observe the different parts. The yellow color structure shown in the picture is larynx. The epiglottis which acts as lid. Then we can see the vocal cords, cartilages and the area between vocal cords known as glottis. Trachea. It is also known as windpipe. It is a tube about 9 cm long and 2 cm in diameter. It is joined to the larynx above and passes down to the front of the neck into the thorax where it divides into the right and left bronchi. The singular is bronchus. The tracheal wall is composed of connecting tissues and muscles and it is strengthened by 16 to 20 rings of C-shaped cartilages. It is lined with ciliated mucous membrane. Functions of trachea. It transports air to and fro from the lungs. It filters the air. It regulates the temperature of air in and out of the lungs. Trachea. The pipe shown in blue color is trachea. You can also observe the rings of C-shaped cartilages. Near the lungs, it is divided into two bronchi. Each bronchus, after entering into lungs, they divide and subdivide to give rise to bronchioles. Bronchi. Trachea divides into two short tubes called bronchi, each bronchus going to each lung. Each primary bronchus, after entering the lungs, divides and subdivides to give rise to secondary and tertiary bronchi. Tertiary bronchi divides to give rise to terminal bronchioles. The function of bronchi. Bronchi are continued passageway for air to reach the lungs.